Hey, what's up everyone? It's Daniel again, and today we're going to change the engine air filter on our Dodge Durango. So in this particular vehicle, you'll want to open the driver's side door, and right down below the steering wheel on the left-hand side, you'll want to pull that tab to pop the hood. We'll go over to the hood, and there's a lever here that you'll want to push to the passenger side of the vehicle while pulling up on the hood. First thing we're going to want to do is on this housing here on the driver's side, there's two metal tabs. You're going to want to pull those away from the housing to unclip them. And the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to lift up on the housing while pulling it toward the driver's side of the vehicle. And this will release the two tabs on the other side of the housing. You can see here that the air filter has quite a few pine needles and is pretty dirty. We went ahead and upgraded our air filter with a K&N filter, and it's a 30,000 mile filter, just so we don't have to do it as often. But this is one of the factory filters that we had installed. So here you can see this filter. It looks a lot prettier. We're going to match it up, make sure that they are the same size and they look to be perfect. So we'll go ahead and install this in reverse. When installing this, you want to make sure those two tabs that I mentioned earlier actually slide into this little spot here. So you have to push down on the back of the housing and push it in. And you want to make sure this is done on both sides of the housing. Next, you'll come over to those metal tabs and we're going to push those over the housing there. You can see how they clip over just a tiny bit. That's all locked in. And then you want to make sure the perimeter of the housing actually is sealed all the way and that there's no gaps. So check both the back clips and both the metal clips and make sure everything's in place. Again, here's the filter. I will have this K&N filter and the 18,000 mile K&N filter listed in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching, and if you're interested in other similar videos for maintenance on your Dodge Durango, be sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.